Today is the day, man. I done already pulled the hose out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But listen to them. So yeah, man, this will be a mod list review video for this car. So these are the GTR lights. These like $500. We got the whip right here, man. Y'all see we at the crib. This bitch dirty as hell. So let me just give y'all a rundown. So got the big brakes. This door is like the paint's fucked up on it. Still have to get that fixed. So I'll be getting that paint mats and fixed when I get my new, when I get the back bumper that I want with the diffuser, then I will try to make sure I recovered it that I want for the car. And I got a lot to fix. Like this is from my old car. I went to the junkyard and took the screws out, took it off my old car. That's why the paint's so weak, because I had to get it resanded. It was super damaged from the wreck. Had to get it resanded and didn't last long. These he just didn't do a great job, I guess, on the paint. I'll get him to do it better. And like, these are the LED lights, so I think I hit something. Yeah, so the glass came out on those. So I'm gonna need a couple more of those. Same with this side. I got 2 more in my car that I can put in, but I want to upgrade those lights somehow. I want to like find some type of higher class lights to put right there. But when they're on, you can't tell they're like cheap, but when they're off, you can see like the yellow little, I don't know. But yeah, man, we finna get this motherfucker clean. Listen to them.
Let that shit ride, 88.
Alright, man, so we pretty much done, man. Y'all see the difference, man. It's shining. It got a little shine to it now, man. So did the best I could. You know what I'm saying? It's still not as clean as I want it to be. And especially this. Looks like it went through a little bit of snow, man. Them motherfucker been doing some cocaine in that bit. But yeah, that's just the chip paint, man. That's nothing. I couldn't scrub it hard enough to get that off. That's gonna forever look like that till I get a paint correction and get that fixed along with this too. So that just kind of looks low class right now, but we will be getting it fixed soon, man. But this is a good side. It's a side with the good paint and everything. So y'all can see, man, this shit clean though. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice whip, but we gotta get that chrome delete. I want some rims as soon as possible, like all that, man. So we're gonna work towards that for sure. But yeah, man, y'all see it, man. You feel me? So, but yeah, and then I already told y'all the mods I have, so I might do a story time. So yeah, man, this will be a mod list review video for this car. So let's go ahead and start interior. I added so I'm gonna tell you everything I added for the interior. Boom, off rip, added up. Well, the first thing I did was the test screen. I had the test screen first, and then I went and got this, because this is my second car, bro, and my first one was like had all the pipes and fast stuff, so it was fun with that stuff. So I always had fun with just driving it fast with the headers, full exhaust, and the Y pipe and all that good stuff. So it was fun. I really wasn't thinking about any interior stuff. But after I wrecked the car, man, and was put with a new stock car, man, I was just like, man, bro, I really need something to just like make it entertaining or just make it something, you know what I'm saying? Just because comparing a stock car and the feeling of a stock car to what I had before, it was just no feeling. Like it just wasn't the same at all, bro. So I got a touch screen. Then I went and got this fucking LED steering wheel, and then I put the lining around all of it to match. Got red mats. Took those mats out yesterday when I cleaned the car, because they're fucked. They're like 3, 4 years old now from my old car, so they looked fucked. But then I added this carbon fiber right here. This is like just a kit. It's a kit that it comes with the stickers and you stick them on. But I ended up buying the wrong kit, And this was the only piece I was able to get to fit. It barely fit. Like, I had to keep fucking playing with it. But that's why all this is chrome, because I bought the wrong kit, so I had to rebuy that kit. But yeah, put the lining. I put the carbon fiber. I got C spacer. I think my lights are like different colors. It's like I got lights on the floor. I got red lights on the floor. They change any color. And yeah, man, that's it, man. This is the sport model, man. So I got sport seats, man. If you want to have a little bit more leg action going on. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the interior, I'm pretty sure. Things I will be doing though is carbon fiber paddle shifters. They'll be black carbon with the minus and plus signs will be red. And then I'll be getting a new airbag. I was supposed to get an airbag the first time with this, but I didn't, because I just wanted to see how it looked. But it ended up costing me a lot to put the stock airbag with the new LED steering wheel. It cost me like $500 almost, because he was like, yeah, it would have been better off just to buy the airbag that comes with it, because then I could just put it in and that's it. But when you just get the wheel, he has to do a lot more. So definitely fucked over with that, but whatever, man. So I'm kind of fucking tired right now, so excuse me, bro, if I just seem a little off or whatever. I haven't ate anything today. I'm just trying to get shit done I want to get done. So yeah, but all right. So yeah, that's the interior mod. All right, man, I feel like I should have showed y'all the car while I'm explaining what mods I have, so we're just gonna run down it. These are the GTR lights. These like $500. So that's one mod. Like I said, I got the 3-inch intakes with the carbon fiber mesh grill. So that was like $400 for the mesh grill, and then another $700-800 for that. These are from Soho Motorsports. They're kind of dirty now. They're supposed to look like red, but like fucking two years old. So that's that. These are the fog lights that change colors. I'll start the car up real quick, show y'all that. But I do have them off, so they won't turn to the actual color. But man, it goes like that. Goes like that. Then it goes to red. But yeah, I got these from like J Halos on Instagram. So I got them turned off now. So they changed to any color though. You can have them moving and shit. We'll go ahead and turn the car off. But yeah, man. And also, well, this ain't really a mod, but I got key to start. So I click my key 3 times and it starts up. I click it 3 times again and it turns back off. That was like $400 plus another $400 to get it put in. So yeah, that was a little expensive, but these lights, these turn on white. These are just little eBay LED lights. This is an extra splitter that fits on the sport bumper. It's like $200, I think, or $300. So let's move. So the car's on suspension. It's on Swift springs, and then it has Z1 spacers to flush the fitment. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but fitment is pretty flush. You know what I'm saying? It's right on the ends. So that's what I wanted. See, I got those right there as Z1 spacers. This one comes with the big brakes. As you can see, this is real carbon fiber. I think these are from South Bay Auto Works. But yeah, these are like 200 something. South Bay Auto Works, just stick on. And on the back, I got halos. So play out of that, but yeah. So those are the halos that I got made by this guy named Johnny Blaze Customs on Instagram. And like I said, y'all know how the inside looks, man. So yeah, so that's literally every outside mod I have, other than these fucking tire caps. But yeah, man. So GTR lights. All you're looking at is GTR lights, mesh grill, mirror caps. Back got the halos, suspension, and yeah, man, that's it for right now. And the little fog lights, but a lot more to come. We got a body kit coming. It'll be fender, new splitter or another splitter, hood, and then the back will have a trunk and a roof scoop. So yeah, man, but I just wanted to show y'all the outside, man. You know what I'm saying? And just really show y'all each mod, which is not a lot, but motherfuckers want a mod list. Here it is, you dig? But I'm out this bitch. Lots of things I got more to come. We're gonna black this out. Put the stars for Shirley. All the chrome you see in here will be carbon or gloss black. We just gotta, you know what I'm saying, play with the details when we get there. But definitely get you a wide pipe if you just got your Infiniti and you wanted to make it faster, but you don't want to spend a lot of money. Wide pipe is the way to go. You know what I'm saying? Because you can find a cheap wide pipe for like 200 or 400 for the good ones, or 700 for the really good ones, whatever the case may be. Me personally, I'm getting a resonated wide pipe. When I do get it, it'll be an HBP, I think, resonated wide pipe. And yeah, I just want to go for the good sound, because my car, when I put the headers and everything on, it was a little bit raspy when I put everything on it, because I had a Soho full exhaust, dual exhaust with a ISR wide pipe, and then I put the ISR headers with it, and it was kind of raspy. I think it still sounded good, but looking back on old videos, it was a little raspy, and I could go for a cleaner sound. So with this setup, man, I will be going with motor down full dual exhaust with the burnt tips. Then I'll be going with the HBP resonated wide pipe. Then I'll be going with the ISR headers again. And then, yeah, after that, we'll just do like all the other little performance mods that you can do. But those are like the pipes. If motherfuckers been asking, like, bro, what pipes you talking about? I'm like, bro, wait for the pipes. This motherfucker gonna be crazy. People be like, man, what pipes is he talking about? I'm talking about those pipes, man. The full exhaust, the headers, the wide pipe, man. Those things make a difference in this car a lot, especially with the tune, bro. This should be crazy, bro. So we waiting on that, man. You know, nigga just trying to work OT and shit, and figure out what I'm gonna do with the money and shit. But it's coming this year for sure. I'm gonna put everything in order in the description. So it's gonna go Tesla screen, LED steering wheel. We'll try to find where I got the lighting from, put that in there. If y'all want to see it, I'll put that in there. And yeah, those are all the interior mods. These, dude, the seat spacers, these are rare. I don't know where to get more of these. I'm still trying to find a new set of these, because I ordered from this Chinese website that had the real pictures of them, but they never sent them, and I think I got my money back, hopefully. I don't remember, but I did file an email telling them they never sent them, and they said they refunded me, I think, but I don't know if I actually got the money back. I'll be busy, man, but yeah, they never sent them shits, man, so now I got that old one from my old car. But yeah, we'll put that in order. Then I got the mirror caps, and then in the front, I got a mesh grill to show my 3-inch intakes. That's real carbon. That was like $400.
Can't coach, roll a fat ass when I smoke that bitch down to some roaches. They jump up in that water.